Hello, we are in Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife, Spain. You can see a lot of people surfing in the distance. Yeah, they're having fun. Well, this is, of course, a very interesting island. It's very lively compared to the place I showed the other day. And well, the Canary Islands are, you know, a sort of Florida for Europe. A lot of retired people come here to spend their final days because taxes are low and the standard of living is very high. And of course here the climate is subtropical, so it's you know, the Canary Islands are called the islands of the everlasting spring. For example, today we are in the middle of summer and the temperature is around 75 Fahrenheit, so it's pretty warm. In January, you know, temperatures are around 70, 68 and something like that. There are a lot of restaurants here. Yeah, take a look at this. It's a kind of monument here. And this place right here is a resort. There are natural pools and people come here to enjoy the sunshine. Well, today we have no sunshine, it's cloudy, but I think it's gonna clear up later. Yeah, this is the problem here. It's cloudy most of the time, but when it's clear, when it's sunny, of course that's very beautiful. Of course, you know, we are at the end of July and there are a lot of tourists coming here, so that's why you see a lot of people, a lot of good people. Check this out. This is very cool.
Check this out, man.
And yeah, this place, this is a street with a lot of restaurants. Well, it's a nice place, of course. Multicultural. People come from different countries. Did you see that guy? I know him. He's got a YouTube channel. And of course, he's a street artist. He's got a wooden guitar bike. That's amazing. This is a train that goes to Loro Parque. It's a kind of zoo. Never been there. Yeah, I would like to go. I got so many days to spend, so of course I will have the opportunity of going there. Typical Spanish church. Of course, I was saying that people come from all corners of Europe. No, it's not 7-Eleven. And this is a banana tree. Take a look, check this out. Of course, you know, people here say that there's a difference between bananas and plátanos. Plantains, I think it's in English. And of course, the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. The mighty Atlantic Ocean. Well, today is not the ideal day for sunbathing, but you know, there are some people here at the Playa San Telmo beach. Everything is black, you know, beaches are black here because, you know, there is a big volcano here, and so that's the reason why beaches are black. It's 10 in the morning, and you can see the bustling streets of Puerto de la Cruz, Spain, Canary Islands. People are having breakfast, selling lottery tickets or something like that. People speak Italian, German, Dutch. Oh, that's amazing. Spectacular. You know, there was a festival here maybe a week ago. You know, don't ask me what festival it was. I think I will get some information about that. Yeah, that's the cathedral. And here we are. It's a square with a lot of benches, a fountain, and stuff like that. You know, tourists are coming back because, you know, restrictions are not enforced for people having 2 jabs of the vaccine. And Yeah, it looks like those Italian festivals in southern Italy with a lot of decorations with lights. That's really nice alleys founded in the 18th century. I think it's Saint Anthony or something like that. It's very hard to tell. The Holy Virgin. And so we're getting to Plaza del Charco. Charcos are natural pools, but here we have a square. It's just the main square. And it's so green here. Let's say it's a kind of a main square with restaurants working. That's Freddino, Italian ice cream. There are also Italian people speaking. Maybe they're waiting for the ice cream, I don't know. People enjoying croissants and churros, which is something. It's you know, sweet dough. It's fried sweet dough. Of course, you know, I want to post a lot of videos about this place, the beauties that this place offers. And so let's end the video here. I hope you enjoyed, so please feel free to subscribe, stay tuned, and feel free to leave a comment. Ciao for now.